Good morning all. This is the third video of lesson number 12, the moon, class 5 science. Okay. So in the last video we read about the phases of the moon. This video we will be reading about the eclipses. Eclipses in Hindi it is called as Grahan. When some of the heavenly bodies like earth, moon or any star comes in between the earth or the sun, that is a eclipse. Eclipse means a part of anything is not visible. Either the full is not visible, either the full or a part is not visible. That means it is the partial or total blocking of the light of the sun. That is, sunlight is not reaching earth by any heavenly body like the earth or the moon. Like either the earth is blocking or the moon is blocking, because of which the light of the sun is not reaching to a particular point or to us. That is called as an eclipse. Now how does it happen? Now just have a look at it. This is the sun. In the previous video I told you that just take it as a sun, take this as the earth. Earth is moving. Okay? Earth is moving. This was the sun I told you in the previous video. This is the moon. This is also moving. This is moving and this is moving. Okay? This is moving. This is moving. This is also moving on its axis. That is causing the rotation. Fine. So at a particular point, when you just take a 3 balls, 1, 2, 3, sun, earth and moon. At a particular point, there will be a place when earth is blocking the sunlight that is to be reflected by the moon. Understood? Moon is not having its own light. Moon is reflecting the light of the sun. So at this point, the moon will not be visible to the people on the earth. Okay. Then what will happen? It will be a lunar eclipse. But at some time, what may happen is earth is moving and the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. So at a particular point, that is on this particular point, at some point there will be a place where the sunlight is blocked by the moon. That is called as the solar eclipse. If the whole sun is not visible on the particular place, that is total solar eclipse. That is, the whole sun has been covered by the light of the sun has been blocked by the moon. It has to be like this, when these three are in the straight line. When moon is in between, sun rays are not reaching at this particular place. If it is partial, that is, it is not that all the places of the earth will be having the full solar eclipse at a particular time. Somewhere it will be partial also. That is, somewhere some of the part of the sun will be visible, some sunlight will be coming. So that will be called as the partial solar eclipse. Now lunar eclipse is the opposite of it. This is the sun, this is the earth that is moving, this is the moon that is moving. So what will happen is the earth is covering the light that is reaching the moon, and moon is not able to reflect the light. Moon is reflecting the light of the sun. So moon is not having the light or the sunlight. Earth is blocking the light. So we can say the moon is not visible to us. Okay. When the moon is not visible, the whole moon is not visible, that is total lunar eclipse. If part of moon is not visible, that is a partial lunar eclipse. Okay. So one more thing that you will remember is that eclipse goes on for a particular hour. That is, it will be like 2-3 hours or 2-3. It will not be for the whole day. It will be just for an hour, and it will be on a particular place where the impact will be more. It's not that from whole of the earth, the whole of the globe, the moon is not visible, or from whole of the earth or the globe, the sun is not visible, because the earth is rotating, moon is also rotating. So at a particular point it will come in between, and after some time it will go also. So that is called as the lunar eclipse and the solar eclipse. When the sun is not visible, it will be solar eclipse. When the moon is not visible, it will be lunar eclipse. Okay.